Day 15 is started. Adding more panels, putting more panels together, and adding more panels. Now we're gonna have a little fun with our brand new Skelly from the 6-pack from Home Depot. Oh yeah! So this is how they look when you get them from Home Depot. Not bad, but a little too clean. Yeah, that one's broke. It never was off when we got it. And this is what we did to it.
Sorry.
Some staining. I think it looks much, much better.
Stain all over my fingers.
Very nice, very nice. Looking good. Yes, I agree. Yes, I know. It's okay. That's what the skeletons are for playing around with. And of course, we had to get the giant 2-foot raven because this is Silver Raven Haunted House. Oh yes. And this is what we use for staining the skeletons. I much prefer the gel stain than the oil or liquid stain because it's just easier to handle. It just looks better in my opinion. This one in particular is espresso, and we just took some towels. These things sure took a beating. I think they're probably something good, name brand stuff. And then I just took last year's brushes so that we could just throw them away. And that is what we get those skellies. Day 15 is done. Where's our box here? Ah! Luckily, it's been a pretty breezy day. Now, when we're doing solo panels before secured, that's pretty crazy, especially when on the top step of the ladder. No, not the official, actual top step. I never get up on that because you're not supposed to. But anyhow, yes. I'm not going to take you through here. You've already seen this one 3 times. We haven't added anything to this because we finished it last night. But we did a lot more work in here. You can tell which ones we used as the lattice panels. Haha, I got that right. Started work on sanding the individual slats so that we can attach the rope to them to get this bridge fully functional. And you saw our little friends there that we did. One of them stained, the other one not. We only had the energy to do one. But in the forest area, we're getting it much more fleshed out. I said flushed, but I meant fleshed. Oh my God! What is going on over there? Gonna sneak through the actor sneak way. Kind of tight, but it's not bad. Need to fix this before people playing with the drop panel. Make it permanently not working. I think they just made that so that it wouldn't be rubbing on the wood all the time. I didn't make these. I purchased these from a fellow haunter who was unfortunately no longer doing their haunt. This one got a lot more panels added to it. We got some on this side, some on this side, trying to go directly into the sun. And we have that one giving it a little bit of security, stability right there. And we also added some panels on that side. But that right there is where the actors will be. This is our actor door. That is humorously as a joke painted like a door, so they'll be like, oh, I thought it was a door, but they painted it to look like a door, so it must not be really a door. But it is. See you over there, glowy face. So yes, this is what we got done today. Sometimes it doesn't seem like a lot in 5 hours, but you gotta take into account the heat. Make sure everybody's taking breaks, keeping hydrated. Got that big old fat thing full of ice and water. And we got that all cleared up, and the next panels ready to be having their supports on and putting them up. The other thing is we had to kind of stop and finagle around some panels so that we could work in here, because we can't work over here and block off the access to this. So you gotta do what you gotta do, and sometimes you gotta stop work on one side to start working on the other side. But you can see the forest area is coming together. That lovely person there is not going to stay there. I just put him there just to be funny and kind of get him out of our way, because we need to clean up this area, make sure there's still access for the property owners to get to their stuff. But yes, coming together. As always, so excited. Can't wait. No, don't kill them.